Hi, I'm Wallace with BEC Integrated Solutions. If you manage HUD, elderly, or disabled housing, emergency call systems are not optional details. They're a compliance and liability issue. HUD doesn't care what brand you use or whether the system is wired or wireless. What they care about is functionality. Call devices must be located where emergencies actually happen, in bathrooms and at least one bed location. And when activated, they must clearly summon help, whether that's a staff desk, a monitoring service, or an alarm with corridor light. Under REAC and especially under NSPIRE, inspectors will test these systems. If a pull cord is tied up, hanging too high, or doesn't work, it's a finding. And with NSPIRE having increased focus on health, safety, and faster repair timelines, last-minute fixes no longer cut it. You will need to keep your emergency call system tested and operating as required. Proactive, year-round maintenance keeps your property inspection ready. For assistance, design, help, and pricing, contact BEC Integrated Solutions. We're here to keep your properties compliant and inspection ready year-round.